Валентина Скультэ. Английский для детей. Часть 2. Урок 37.
The 37th lesson. Lily teaches Jimmy. Some years passed. Jimmy and Lily began to go to school. The girl was the best pupil in her form, and the boy was the worst in his. The only good mark he got was for his drawings. There was no boy in the neighbourhood who could draw better than he. The children continued their friendship, though Lily did not climb trees or over fences any longer. One day Jimmy said to his little friend, "I can't go to school any more, Lily. The teacher has read my composition to the whole class again. I'm the laughing stock of my friends. I hate school. I hate the English language and its spelling. I wonder how you manage it." "You know, Jimmy," Lily answered, "it's very difficult to write correctly, but if you try very hard, you'll master the spelling in the end." "Do you think I haven't tried?" "I have, Lily, but I can't manage it." "How can you remember to write EE and when EA?" "I can't," he said wearily. "Well, Carrot, maybe I'll be able to help you," Lily said. "I'll tell you how I tried to overcome the difficulty myself. I took 2 sheets of paper and wrote down all the words with EE on one sheet and all the words with EA on the other one." "Can you give me those sheets, Lily?" the Carrot asked. "Of course I can, only you must copy them as quickly as possible." "Can't you give me the sheets for good?" Jimmy, who hated writing, asked. "No, really I can't, Jimmy. I need them myself. They are very helpful to me." "Can you show them to me right now?" Jimmy asked. "Yes, of course I can. Here they are," the girl said, taking a thick blue copybook out of her school bag. "Oh, but you spoke of 2 sheets of paper, and it's a whole copybook, and a very thick one into the bargain," the Carrot exclaimed in surprise. "There is some system in it," Lily said, blushing. Jimmy looked at the cover and laughed. "What are you laughing at?" Lily asked, getting very red. "The title of your copybook looks so funny," Jimmy said. "Are you going to be a teacher, Lily?" "And what if I am?" the girl asked. "Well, one can see it by the heading on the cover. A New System of Mastering Difficult Words, invented by Lily and Christine," Jimmy read and laughed again. "Well, I don't see anything funny in it," the girl said. "Don't be cross, I'm only joking. I'm ready to believe in any system if it helps me," the Carrot said quite seriously. "Oh, it will help you all right, Jim," Lily cried, and her face brightened. "By the way, Carrot, have you got any imagination at all? Can you see things with your eyes shut?" "Never tried. I don't see what you mean," the Carrot said. "Well, for instance, can you remember a little picture with a lot of things in it?" "I think I can," Jimmy answered. "Then, if you can, you'll be able to remember about a score of words in less than 5 minutes. "How is that, Lily? I don't think I understand." "Do you mean I shall be able to write them correctly?" "I don't think I shall," Jimmy said. "I bet you will be able to, Jim," Lily cried. "Okay, I'm going to win the bet," the boy answered. "Well then, let's begin," Lily said. To be continued.